It's summertime, and you know what that means? It means travel, it means packing your bag, it means hopping on an airplane and going somewhere brand new, enjoying the spice of life that just might take you to South America, like me. Today, we're going to be talking about everything that you need to bring with you if you're going to be traveling with a hair system. So this is going to be a very, very short video, probably under like 5 minutes. And I'm just going to walk you through how I think about things in terms of short-term travel and then long-term travel. For reference, yes, I'm wearing a hair system. Number two, have been traveling the world for the past 2 years now. Haven't been inside the United States except for more than about 5 days, and taken multiple trips, right? From 2 month, 3 month, 6 month long trips, all the way down into weekend trips. So with that being said, let's get into it. Now, the two ways I divide trips up are either short-term or long-term. Okay, now everything that goes in your short-term bag is going to go into your long-term bag. So let's start with that, shall we? So the first thing that you're going to need is an adhesive remover. Now you can of course use hot water or something like that if you want, but it's better to have C22 with you or another solvent. Solvents are really important because one, they help take off your adhesive, whether it is glue or tape, very, very easy from the system and from your head. But even more so, it's easier to get residue from any adhesive off of your scalp. So that's the number one reason you might want to use it. And you want to just get a bottle that you can take with you anywhere. Now, the second product that I'm going to recommend that you actually use is some baby oil. Why do I recommend that you use baby oil? Well, the reason for that is because baby oil, one, extremely cheap, easy to find anywhere, but more importantly, it's actually really, really good for your hair. You know, oils keep your hair conditioned, looking good, having a nice shine to it, as well as keeping it soft. I have been using baby oil for the past 6 months or so. It's actually become my new favorite oil instead of anything that's more expensive. You can get this stuff super cheap anywhere in the world. So why not use it? Now, the next thing that I recommend that you get is Walker's Max Hold Sport. This right here is a scalp protector. Scalp protectors do a couple things. One, they protect your scalp from the adhesive or from the tape, so it's good for sensitive skin. But even more than that, it actually extends the bond and duration of your adhesive. Now, on top of that, in emergency situations, people might think, oh man, just put down some liquid glue. You know what actually works better? Max Hold Sport. If you actually throw some of that down and then you lay down your system back on it once it's dry, you can actually get a couple extra days if you need something. So you want to have this with you if you ever want to make a change, or if you just need to make a quick application so that way it makes things stick down. Next, I recommend that you get some Ultra Hold tape or, of course, your adhesive. Now, you don't need to bring a whole roll, but you should bring some strips, enough for basically like a full replacement on your hair system. Actually, a little bit more, just in case you mess something up, like if you use tape and you try to apply it, you don't get it right and the tape comes off. Highly recommend that you bring probably double the amount that you need. So you don't have to bring a whole roll, but you should bring a good amount of it. Next up, I recommend that you actually bring a mannequin, but not the entire mannequin. What I recommend that you do is that you actually get a mannequin like this right here, and then you cut off just the top of the mannequin. So basically just the top dome. Why? If you need to do any work on your system, it makes it very, very easy to just carry something that's small, you know, compact like that, just at the top of somebody's head, well, the mannequin's head, and you can do all of your hair system work on it. If you don't want to do that, it's a good second option. The plastic pieces that your hair systems generally come on that hold the shape and form, those are also good as well. So I have one of these that I take with me. I don't even have the mannequin anymore. It is literally just the top dome. So that way I can do all of my hair system work on it and it fits compactly into a bag. Next, I buy just at least one utility knife blade. If you are going on a short trip and you can't put this in your backpack because of flight regulations and stuff like that, skip it, but you can buy them just about anywhere in the world. You can find utility knife blades. So this one, not a necessity, but man, they're the best thing I've ever found for cutting like hair system tape. Now, if you don't have any tape, you don't need this right here. You can also use scissors, but they're just not as good. And then lastly, I recommend that you get something like this right here, Biolage Recovery Conditioner right here. This is 8 fluid ounces, so depending on if you're traveling in an airplane, this still might be a little bit too big for you. You might be able to go down to this size right here, which I think is available, which is 1.7 fluid ounces. So you could take this on a plane with you. This is good enough for a couple washes, but you want to have a really good deep conditioner. Why? Because wherever you go, whatever you're doing, you got to take care of the moisture that's inside of your hair with the hair systems, because they are a little bit more fragile. So those are my recommendations for short-term stays. Okay. Now, if you're doing long-term stays, it's pretty much the same. I mean, I would get a couple extra things. Shampoo, yes. Maybe a couple other products. But for the majority, you really just need this core kit. You might want to get like a scalp cleanser. You might want to get that kind of stuff. But this is pretty good. Now, the thing that I want you to think about though, when you're going on longer term trips, even if it's like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or even 2 months or longer, is you want to have multiples of the things that are going to be hardest for you to find. So I didn't really think about this. I didn't know this, but like when I went to Bali last year, it was impossible to get C22. It was impossible to find, like tape for hair systems. Getting hair systems shipped into the country was not exactly easy. These types of things that are a little bit harder for you to find when you're in obscure places, I recommend that you have extra, 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 extra. And whenever you stock up, you buy a lot extra so that way you can carry it with you. You can go a year, without it if you're going to be going like super long term. If you're going to be going like 2 to 3 months, bring an extra hair system with you. All right. Bring a whole roll of tape. Bring extra stuff that you don't think that you're going to need, just because it's nearly impossible to find some of this stuff when you're on the fly. Okay. So in short, those are the things that I recommend that you do as you're going about the summer, traveling the world, having some good experiences. Let me know how it goes or if I left anything out.